Listen, the American people want us to work together to reform health care in America so that it costs less and that we can then provide better access for more Americans. But I think as Americans look up today, what they see is a big government takeover of health care that's on the table and a plan that frankly, they don't support. Tonight, we'll hear the president likely repeat some of the myths that he's been repeating over the last several months. First, he'll say, if you like your plan, you can keep it. But clearly, under the Congressional Budget Office estimates, 23 million Americans will be forced out of their private health insurance into a government-run plan. And Lewin and Associates, a consulting firm, the healthcare experts, estimate that number could be as high as 114 million people. He'll say that the Democrat plan will reduce health care costs in America. But it's pretty clear that the director of the Congressional Budget Office says the health care curve not only will not decrease, that the health care curve will increase. And at a time when we're trying to get the cost out of the system, there's nothing in their proposal that will reduce cost in our health care system. I don't know how you can spend $1.6 trillion over the next 10 years and say that we're going to spend less on health care. The president's likely to say that any plan that passes will not add to the deficit. Well, the Congressional Budget Office has made clear that the plan that's on the table in the House will increase the size of the deficit by $239 billion over the next 10 years. You know, beyond all this, the White House Chief of Staff this morning said that the president, he was reviewing the president's speech when he said the president's likely to say that we've rescued the economy. Well, I'd like to ask my folks back in Ohio, where the unemployment rate is at 11.2%, whether they've been rescued by their economy. And if they try to fix our health care system like they've tried to rescue our economy, I think we're in really, really big trouble. Listen, it's time for the president to scrap the plan that they've been working on in the House. It's time to bring both parties together to have real health care reform that will reduce the cost of the system, will reduce the cost of health insurance for Americans, and provide better access.